Nandini. How are you, Amma?
Fine, sir.
So first of all, congratulations
Thank you, sir.
for your selection. I'm really happy, Amma. So the day one, I remember that day. So before you are taking admission, you came to my cabin and you asked one thing.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can I really trust your institute? I said, if you trust, then only you can pay. So after that, you trusted us. Finally, you got succeeded. So congratulations for that.
Thank you, sir.
So just I want to know about yourself.
Yes, sir. I'm Nandini from Hyderabad. I completed MCOM at government degree college.
Okay. So graduation.
Graduation in government degree college. It's all.
Okay. Okay. So how do you know about SP?
While preparing your interviews, I found my video on YouTube, sir.
Okay. Okay. Then you realized this is the
Yes,
place. So when you came, which batch you?
98 years.
Oh, 98. Nice. It's almost many people were now dispatching and they are getting selected with the different companies. So just now we got that one more update from Wells Fargo, also 2 selections. So that's really happy for that from your batch. Sorry, fine. So what about your experience with SP?
It's a good platform, sir. Like whoever want to join MNC companies, it is a place to improve ourselves, like communication skills, subject knowledge, and the faculty also providing good guidance to the students where they are lacking, and mock interviews also helpful for me to crack the interviews.
Nice. So here the most of the things about institution selection. So we have different institutions in the market.
Yes,
then why you trusted SP brand?
Nowadays, all the institutions are like IT related institutions. Here the only I see YouTube and I search Google and all the social media. Only one institute that SP professionals giving training to the core accounting and finance.
You're correct.
So
You're telling overall, even not only Hyderabad, you can see in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, the best institute about finance and accounting. Even you can select in India, best institute in this, accounting and finance. Our is second or third place. So that brand which we are getting. Good luck, Amma. I really appreciate. So because the day one onwards, your sincerity and everything is given this result. So getting job is one thing, but growing is most important. Do your best and prove yourself. Okay. Good luck and all the best.
Thank you.
For the latest updates and more interesting videos, please like and subscribe to the SV Professionals official channel.